Hi gorgeous, this is Menat El Abd, and today I'm going to show you how to do a happy brow look, first by using the Hello Happy Soft Blur Foundation. First we shake and we apply. It has a sheer medium coverage and an SPF 15, and it's so easy to blend on the face. It blurs out any imperfection and at the same time gives you a soft blurred finish. Once we're done with foundation, we finish off the makeup look and we move on to the brows. We use a goof-proof brow pencil, and first thing is to brush the brows to identify any gaps. Then we fill in the gaps by creating soft hair strokes, and we repeat the same steps to the other brow as well. Creating soft hair strokes will give you a fuller, thicker look for the brow. Then I go ahead and use Gimme Brow Plus to volumize the brows, and I brush it over the brows. And there you have it, you guys, a happy brow look. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!